What's up, everyone? Ben with Ben's Pro Wash out here in Kennesaw again. Doing another driveway cleaning for one of these houses. Man, these are so dirty because they're all built in the 70s and 80s. But I always try my best to get these clean. As you can see in these after photos, unfortunately I wasn't able to come back for about a week and get the after photos, so you're going to see a little bit of grime on them, but you know, it brightened up the driveway a pretty good amount. So yeah, hey, if you're in the Kennesaw area and you did anything clean, either your gutters, your driveway, or a house wash, let me know, send me a message. And if you like washing things get clean, then just stay tuned for the end of the video. It really helps. And until next time.